welcome to the Cinco de Go Laboratory. Today you will see our latest creation, the team making alarm clock, or for short, the TeaMAC. This is made out of mostly recycled components. Here's how it works. When the hour hand pushes the marble down the track, it bumps a lever that releases another marble, which pushes on another lever, which drops a weight onto a primitive touch sensor that turns on the minute clock. When the minute hand gets to the marble, it moves it down the track, where it then releases a spring-loaded counterweight that lifts up a gate, which drops the marbles into a cup that pulls down on a switch that turns on the kettle. Now, let us observe the various components working in unison. The water has been boiled. Mission accomplished. Now, let's watch it backwards.